Admit. Right? So you prepare for the first meeting, you prepare for the first meeting, and then you prepare the slides. You send the slide deck to your client first. Yeah, please do that. And then run the first meeting along with someone like me, or ideally with with one of the Vivek or one of these people. Um, Listen to the client, take the feedback on what the thing is saying, change your ideas based on client feedback, and show them in live. You remember, Bahana, we showed Kuram live. We showed Bakchik's live how we are navigating through Sales Navigator in order to pick their clients. This is because at the end of the first meeting they should sign the deal. I don't have any clients so far where we have done the first meeting and then they said, "Oh, let me think about it and come back to you." I don't think that if they're going to think about something, they're never going to come back to you. 90% of the client will sign up. Just tell them, "Look, this is how you sign up. You go there. My picture is here. Click on my picture. You'll come here. Select your basic plan because we're going to just try the basic one. Some of my reviews are also here. This is these are two of my clients. They've given me a review, and then click on this orange button and you're done. It should be that easy, right? So you have to close the deal with your client at the end of the first meeting. Honestly, because this is not some some $1 million thing, right? This is a simple thing, right? Guys, do you really need social media for your thing? We are here to help you. Here is how we are going to help you, and try us for a month. If you don't like it, let's cancel it, right? What do you lose? $100, right? So that's the thing, guys. I think that's pretty much what I had to I'll send you this deck because this deck is going to be a crucial deck for you, so that you can use it for your thing, right? So that's pretty much it, guys. Any questions on that, or it's all very clear? Hi, Elizabeth. I didn't see that you have joined. Is that clear, Bahana? Shall we start, doing with your profile right now?
Yes, but I wanted to ask one more question, Alisa.
Yeah, go ahead.
Let's go back to the, the audience part of the slide. Huh? So, when you are preparing, let me just go. I just want to get this clear. Let's go with the step up example. When sorry, not audience, actually competition. I mean competitors.
Oh, competitors.
Yeah, competitors. Yeah, so I don't know because at first place, before the first meeting, we are supposed to do, a bit of research about the client, then we prepare the slide deck. So we may not have a full understanding of his industry, at first place. Then during the meeting, that's when we can ratify, and we are able to change whatever we messed up or maybe we didn't get clear. So now I wanted to understand, just look at Step Up as an example, and the competitors in terms of reskilling refugees. So I saw you focus much, on the global, at the global space, because you mentioned Udemy and other, Udacity and so on. But there's somewhere I see you mentioned that there are many organizations doing the same in Kakuma, because we have got organizations and institutions reskilling refugees, but with no clear path, following that. Leading to opportunities.
Yeah.
When it comes to client now, should we, let's say this is, let me go with, let's say, Quran, for example, with their software solution and so on. And if, let's say, the business is only based in Denmark and is not in the US, and they want to market, all over the world, should we focus at first place when we prepare the slide at the local stage, or we have to take it to, to the global space, trying to mix this up,
Sure. No, that's a very good question. See, understanding the client's competition is very important, right? So the client that you talked about right now was area9.com, right? Or not Area9. What was this guy's Area9?
Area9.
For Area9, yeah. So this is the client, and they are into the world of adaptive learning, correct? That's what they're into. Their main thing is adaptive learning, okay? So even if you simply searched for the word adaptive, okay, adaptive learning platforms, right? You should get the top 10 somewhere, right? Best adaptive something. That's it. That's it. Just simply list all these guys. Whoever is going to come here, say, Kuram, I think, these are the top 10, competitions that you have. Am I right? Right? Are these the people that are your competition? Okay. We have to, obviously be careful, about this, but we can, it just shows that, you have done some homework. Okay. So you can look at, some of these platforms and say, we believe, FutureLearn, Captera, all these things are, good adaptive learning platforms that will compete with you. Or you can go into the meeting and correct yourself. I thought these are the 4 things that compete with you, but after having this meeting, I feel that, they are someone else.
Now, okay, now I want to understand now here from this Nini. Now that you've identified these top 3, competitions for Area9, right? So now, do we need to go deep, try to understand where these guys operating compared to where, let's say Quran is operating?
No. No. All of these guys are global operators. It's a software product. All of them just simply, allow you to download or operate a platform. So they're all global operators. You don't have to go into all those things. Just at a very high level, Area9 is in the world of, adaptive learning. Who are the others who are in the adaptive learning world? That's it. And then put some 10, 4 bullets. That's all. Don't have to make a huge thing out of it. Okay.
Get it.
Okay. All right, Bahana. So let's go to your thing. So Bahana, what I've done is, if you remember, the list of people that we wanted to do, I have taken that list, onto an Excel spreadsheet, which is here. Okay. So this is the Bahana's, you remember that the 100 people that the 2,000 or so people that we came up with, right? If you remember this one. So this is your give me 1 second. So this was your entire list, right? I'm just going according to this Excel, right? So this first one URL is yours. The second one is Mohammed Hassan. The third is Zakaria, and then we'll keep on adding, more like this, right? So Bahana, this is the 2,000 plus people that you are going to reach out to. So they are all in Kenya. They are working for companies with more than 10,000 plus headcount. This is just a way to prioritize, I don't want to reach out to people with less than 10,000 people headcount. These are the seniority levels. These are the various functions that they do, and then the more than 10 years. So this is the list of all of them, right, Bahana? So you're going to reach out to all of them one after the other, and then send out our message. Wait for them to connect. If they connect, send out the second message, and the thing. Right? It's pretty simple. Now, what I've done is I have taken down this whole thing into an Excel, right? So that you have that right over here. This Hisham, right, guy, yeah. So it's quite complicated, Bana. So what I've done, I've just taken these 2,000 people. All the 2,000 people are here in this list. In this list, if you look at it, everybody is here. If you go down, So one thing is, I can simply give you this list, and then you can, so there are 2,251 people in Kenya who you can, reach out to, right? And they're all, quite decent, thing, right? And then what I have done, I have actually taken those 2,000 people. See, Bahana, it will be very easy for you to do this because, you have the Sales Navigator, access. But for many others, they don't have the sales. Say, for example, Mohammed Hassan doesn't have the Sales Navigator address. So what I've done is I've converted, these Sales Navigator URLs into, normal LinkedIn URLs. So for example, Muhammad will not be able to reach to this place, right? Here, but he should be able to reach to this place. Same thing, here. This is a normal LinkedIn, right? Give me 1 second, somebody. Okay, so this is the normal LinkedIn, and here normal LinkedIn, Mohammed should be able to click here, and then add a note and send a message. Yeah. So that's what I have done. Just 1 second. So what we will do, Bahana, we'll just quickly, set this up. Now, if I share this with you, Bahana, there are two things I can do, right? I can share this Excel with you, right? This Excel. This is your list of all potential client, right? For you, I think, so no, I think for everybody, I'll do the same thing. I'll share this Excel where I've already converted, the Sales Navigator URL. This is a Sales Navigator URL. I've converted into a LinkedIn URL, a simple URL, which all of you can, follow and, do it, right? So would it be, for example, I'll just tell you what, Bahana has to do. So Bahana has to go to the first thing, Control C. Yeah, I've already come to that guy. Oh, this has to be Bahana actually. Let me see, where is Bahana's profile? So just see, this is the person that Bahana has to send the message to. So I'll say connect. I hope you guys are able to follow me. This, where is the message? This is the message. I wanted to share with you. Okay. Some space you can actually do. Just before sending anything, right? Always double check the URLs. Control C, Control V, enter. Yeah, it works. Okay, so Bahana, shall we start the campaign?
Yep.
So dear Ishan, etc., 2 years, I wanted to share with you, is it good to say our 2-year journey or my 2-year journey?
I think our 2-year journey. I prefer our 2 years journey than my, because.
Okay, we are delivering this, delivering real business outcomes by combining our proven approach with at Step Up. I hope you guys are able to see what I'm doing. I'm just doing some last minute, I'm always, because look guys, this is the message that is going to change our life. So, I want to take a minute to, so with a proven approach by combining a proven approach with technology at an affordable cost. What do you guys think? Have a look. By combining a proven approach or methodology. I think approach is better. No. Can I say with world class tech? See, this kind of a message is problem, right? Because it has only got 0 spaces right now, which means, if anybody has a long name, I'll get, it is a problem for me. So this message is not great. But anyway, for this guy, it is good. At HTTPS, we are delivering real business outcomes by combining a proven approach and world-class tech at an affordable cost. World-class. The word that we use here. World-class technology. Okay, I'll send it. That's it. So Bahana, you have started your campaign to your first guy. Okay, so this is your thing, right? So we're learning right now how to do this, manually, So this is your first client, Bahana. Yeah, this is your second. Like Control C, your second one. Come here, David Hardestry, retail banking for Absa Bank. Connect, add a note. Oh boy, I have to keep this somewhere actually. Otherwise I can't. Where is that? My network. Manage. Sent. So this is a good thing, right? Look, whatever you have done is here. I hope Bahana, others, you guys can see it. Whoever I have sent, all that messages are here. Okay. So that's the second one. Where's the second? 1 second. Dear David. Okay, excellent. So have a look. Have a look. Have a look is a problem, is it? So problem is have a look at the problem. And yeah, second one is done. Mahana. Any quick questions, people? I mean, I don't want you to be doing this copy paste and doing this, thing manually, but I want you to try it out first manually before, we can automate at least, most of this thing. So Chief Executive Officer at Coca-Cola Coastal Bottlers Company, Kenya, connect, add a note, Control C, Control V, dear Seth. Send. Okay, so we have done for 3, and I hope it's not rocket science. I hope you guys can do this yourself. And anytime you want to go see what you have done, just come to the sent pages, my network, just the way you go to that is my network, manage my network, sent invitations. So here you can see that you have sent it to Seth, David, and Hisham. Yeah, can you see this? Bahana, I'm assuming this will be like child's play for you. If I send this to you, you should be able to finish off these people in like like half a day or 1 day. But go easy. Don't do more than 100 invitations per day. Okay. I think it will be otherwise, it'll be crazy, if you do more than 100 people a day, right? So maximum 100 people.
To do this manually?
What do you say, Bahana?
So you mean you want me to do this manually?
You don't need to do this manually, Bahana. You can do this automatically, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I just wanted, Mohammed Hassan, Jamari, Keisha, everybody to do this manually first. And then, so what I'll do, Mohammed, for all of you guys, just make sure, look at this, right? I mean, I can make it look a little bit more beautiful if you want, right? This is the main URL, okay? This one, right? Basically, you will not have access to anything else other than this URL, okay? So this list that I've sent it is Bahana result, right? This is the Bahana result. I can similarly send you, Muhammad, Isha, everybody, separate list so that, you can look at each one of them. And then, you can even put something like this, Bahana, done, something like that, status, done. So you have done already 3 so that you know that who you're done. You don't need to do all these things because anyway, if you're going to do it automatically, you don't need all these things, right? Just like one shot, you're done. Is that clear, Muhammad, Jamari, Keisha? If I send you this list, would you be able to, start your campaigns in the next couple of days? Or, I mean, Jamari, you can start it right away. Your profile looks absolutely fine.
That's clear. Only you be careful the time you copy paste and then you edit the personalize. Yeah.
Just be very careful. Now you are representing an organization, so any mistake you do is not nice. But then don't be worrying about anything, right? If you don't make mistakes, you'll never learn. You can afford to make mistakes on behalf of StepUp because it is your company. But you can't make mistakes when you start working for an outsider client. It's not. So this is a good way to practice. So Jamari, you're all set to go. If I send you this list, you should be able to do this. Whatever I just showed you. Exactly. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Yes. What about Keisha? Can you do this, Keisha? Muhammad? Yes, Keisha. Would you be able to do this connection? I mean, send this message to your. I'll send you an Excel sheet where all the people that you need to connect to will be there. Okay. All you need to do is click on them, paste it, connect, paste the message, change the name, and send it. Would you be able to do it, or you want to? I think you should be able to do it. It's like not rocket science.
No, I think I can do it. I'll just have to brush up my profile a bit, but I think the copy and paste, yeah, that is manageable.
Yeah. So don't worry, guys. Like I was telling Bahana, you don't need to do this just for this 1 week. Just do this copy paste business because in life we have to first crawl, walk, and then only run. It's not good to start running immediately. But people like Bahana has been doing this for nearly 2 years now, so they are not doing any copy paste anymore. He has a 100% automation program which will do all this for you so that you don't have to do this thing so much. But right now just do this copy paste because you get a real sense of what is happening and how this whole thing is working, right? And that's it, pretty much what I have to tell. So we have to just start the campaign. First message is clear. Second message is also clear, but I will make it better. I'll send the second message to all of you guys. This is my second message. I think I've already shown you, but if you want, anything, you can, take it from there actually. Yeah. I think we need to brush up the second message. Second message is not that great. Any other questions?
Yes, clarification.
Yes, Jamari.
what I can see now, we are going to use the same message format for the first message we don't have to go and brainstorm another.
No, don't do that. Just the same message, because we have separated all the people, into different buckets. So don't worry about, it's the same message for everybody. First message can be the same. Second message, you can alter it slightly based on what the guy is saying. Okay, but even otherwise, just keep the same message. Second message is also the same. Slide deck that you're attaching will be the same. So let's keep it like,
What I was
But
what I was asking, it is either to use the same message Bahana shared with you, then you go through it and make it better, or we are going to brainstorm another one we share with you, or this is what I want to clarify.
No, this is the one. Oh, no. This is the message. I don't know. I'll it is there all over the place, but I'll just anyway put it here also. This is the message that we need to this is the first message for everybody. Just make sure the word David is replaced by something else, right? This is the first message. I will change it in everywhere. Don't worry about it. I'll make sure that this message is changed and properly reflected everywhere, so that we are not sharing the wrong message.
yes.
Yeah.
Hello?
Guys, come on video.
Yeah. There is one thing. Maybe before the second message, and Jamari was just asking a question. We don't need to sound like a robot. I mean, because we also need to follow the engagement with the client. You don't just send the first message and then once replies and you send the second message, because he might feel like you just want to. You are sounding more silly, just all about selling. But it's good to follow the conversation. Then you can bring in the second message after you've at least responded to what the client is talking about. Maybe just want to say hi, maybe just is a question he has asked and all these things. So I don't know whether we are allowed to do that to
no. Yeah, please bring your second message properly. In fact, I'm just putting the second message also. In fact, it'll be really good if Mohammed or somebody can just change the second message. It's not amazing. It is just something that I did really quickly yesterday night. Have a look at the second message and see how we can change it. You can also like Bahana says, you can answer his question. Thank you for your kind words, Mr. So-and-so. You can change it the way you want it. But whatever you change it, just make sure this main content is also there. That's the important thing. So I've sent you the main content of the second message. We will make the second and you don't need to, I think many times when somebody is accepting your connection message, at the same time, within a minute or two, if you're able to send your second message, it is better, because that person is there, he's already engaged, etc. So it is so much more better. It's okay to send it 1 day later, 2 day later, 3 day later. It's absolutely fine. But it'll be good if you, because when somebody is accepting your connection, that means he's just read your stuff, right? I hope none of these guys are accepting your connection yet. And as soon as they accept, it will be good to hit them with a second message. Yeah, Bahana. So first message is here. Second, I'm anyway going to send all of these first messages, second messages in our WhatsApp channels, guys, so that you don't get confused anywhere. It is also going to be there in the PowerPoint slide, so there's no way you can get confused. Hopefully. And I'm also going to send you these Excel. There are 2 Excels, but Excel where you have to click. I want to remind you, the Excel that I'll be sending you will look like this. This is the Sales Navigator profile. You do not click on it. Even if you click on it, nothing will happen, because you don't have the licensed version of the Sales Navigator. It will say you don't have the licensed version. and do not buy the trial version, please, because we can use that trial version, once you're really, strong. This is the same profile, for the free version of the LinkedIn. So go here, click here, and get this done. Yeah? Hopefully now it's clear. All right, that's pretty much it from my side. Do you guys want to talk about something else? Did you, Keisha, Jean-Marie, did you guys have that meeting on Thursday? Did anybody turn up?
Yes, we were, I, Kiza, and Grace.
Who's that? Craig?
Grace.
Grace. Okay. Hey, Grace is having a problem. She's not
about that. She's always on Saturday she attends church.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, she has a challenge at whenever we have a meeting on Saturday. We also we have invited also Nial. Nial was with us, and they take us through how we can write messages.
Okay. Keisha. Okay, Keisha is muted. I don't know how to unmute him. You can unmute yourself, Keisha. For some reason, I'm not able to unmute yourself. So that's good. I think, it's okay. I think, we'll go slowly, but more importantly, see, I really think this is a huge breakthrough. Bahana, I'm really counting on you because all this while, we have to depend on someone else to get you the jobs, right? Now the power is in your hands, Bahana, right? As somebody who started this pilot program, I think, if you start getting, tens of jobs and 20 jobs, something like that, and you start having a team of 10, 20 people, it will be an amazing example for all of us because you have the unfair advantage, Bahana. There is a book called The Unfair Advantage. So you should read that book, when you get a chance. All of us in life, have got that unfair advantage at some point in our life.
You can send me a copy.
Sorry?
You can send me a copy of it if you have it.
I will send it. The best way to read these books is, is through Kindle or your, phone. No need to do all these, hard copy.
Yeah, sure.
It's easier to do that. But
e-reader.
Yeah, the unfair advantage is, I had an unfair advantage. I think, if I remember right, my first pay was $20 a month, around 23 years ago.
Wow.
Yeah, $20 a month, and I love the work. I really enjoyed the work. And you keep moving from $20, and then I moved to $30 a month and $40 a month. You keep working, and then you get a break. You really hit some amazing idea or some hard work and something, and then you move to $200 a month. Life is not linear. If your life is going to be linear, then you are traveling some wrong life. Right? If you say, okay, let's start the work with $100, and then I will go to 110, then I'll go to 120, and then you'll die. Okay. Yeah. You have to go from 100, 500, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000. You have to grow in exponential fashion. That means, you are in the right track, right? So it's a good opportunity. I think, I really think it's an amazing opportunity. Now it is in your hands. You don't have to really, I honestly think you don't have to depend on me anymore, Bahana. Honestly speaking, the only thing I give you right now is credibility. you know, Bahana, you know this better than anybody, right? You know, you can also go start another website just now. You know, call it, buckleup.com or, something, or, something.com, right? What you will not have is credibility. You know, that when somebody from Denmark or somebody wants to give you a job, he trusts everything you say, but somehow he will never press that, button, hire now button. Because he's always doubting, whether this is all true or what. You understand? You know, people are always not able to trust, right? So I honestly believe the only thing that I'm providing, because I've given everything, all the power to you, Bahana. I mean, right now to you, but slowly to Muhammad and Jean-Marie and Keisha, right? You have the power to execute. You also have the power to sell for yourself and for your own team. So, I don't have any power now. All I have is a website where people can come and look at your faces and think, oh, okay, this seems like a decent website. They go to my Twitter, they see thousands of likes. So okay, they see, okay, this is a very decent, a very trustworthy platform. Let me try it out. What will I lose? $100? Okay, even if I lose, it's okay. You understand, Bahana, where I'm coming with this whole thing,
Yeah, I get the point.
Because now, it should be, I mean, the ultimate success is where nobody is in between, where you are the boss, you have people working for you, you have clients working for you, clients giving you the job, and the money comes to you directly. You don't, there is no step up, nothing, nobody in between. I mean, that would be the ultimate success, but I think, it will take us some more time for us to reach there, where all of you guys have a business bank account, it goes into your business account directly, it doesn't, go into, one more thing, we have never spoken about that, I think Bahana and Niall and others can help you, but all of you should have a bank account, I'm sure, or an M-Pesa account, right, Bahana? It's a money transfer account. I think, I'm sure all of you already have it, but if you don't, you should figure out a way to, get that. I think, we can start, practicing this thing also, so that you can start receiving your money as soon as you get the client. So hopefully that should happen. I think most of these people are on leave or, so we have at least 2 or 3 more clients, who wants to start working with us. So once they pay the money, I can start transferring it to them. I can start transferring it to you guys. So we usually do it through M-Pesa, right, Bahana? Is there another way to do this, M-Pesa or?
We usually do it through M-Pesa, yes.
Yeah.
But I mean, for those who, I think M-Pesa is the easiest, because the popular, mobile wallet we are using here.
Okay.
So
hopefully it should be easy for everybody. It should not be rocket science, to get an M-Pesa account. Okay. And I think we should get started. I mean, how are you feeling, Bahana? Is it a good, idea? Good break? See, Bahana, it's not just for Bahana. I'm just calling Bahana all the time because, he has a, first mover advantage. See, Bahana, you need to think about, if the clients, right, could come really quickly. And you need to think about, you should already think of a team, a small team. You should already be selecting them. You should already be, training them, because it takes at least 2 to 3 weeks or 2 months sometimes, to make the people ready. So
yes, actually, the selection is already underway. I'm just now planning to organize trainings and all these things so that at least the team is ready. Like when we start having clients coming in, so at least we are ready because otherwise we might not be able to to serve all of them. So I think it's something that I'm already in at the moment.
Absolutely, absolutely, yeah. Which is why, you know, I'm not pushing anybody too much, but yeah, let's start that other thing also. See, hopefully, you know, this courses thing is, you know, is better. You know, I don't know, what do you guys think? You know, a lot of people are helping me with this courses. You know, this one. I mean, you know, Grace had a problem. Are you guys able to, you know, go through this thing, especially this scenario? I don't want you guys to waste any time on anything, but the minimum thing is this scenario, right? You know, you should be able to click on scenario, login. I don't know why Grace always has a problem logging in here. You know, she gets stopped by that robot checking thing, but I have never had that problem for some reason. So I can start the course. It goes inside. Everything that we have spoken so far is there in this thing. So the theory is here, the practice is here, understanding client context is here, visual stories is here, communicating the visuals, everything, almost everything is here. Today's meeting will also go into this one today, right? So it's all here on the left-hand side. You keep clicking on that thing, the right-hand side will change. You know, you use this for your own training and your own team's training, and it should be pretty straightforward. That's pretty much it from my side. Guys, anything else from your side? Anything you guys want to finally, otherwise we can close the call. Kisha, you wanted to say something, you know, is there anything that if you want to say, you can type it. I don't know why your mic is not getting unmuted. Even I'm not able to unmute you. Mohammed, anything from your side? Otherwise we can close it.
No, I think I'm good. Yeah, no, I'm just fascinated by the prospects.
Yeah, see, I'm also fascinated. It's just that, you know, one of us have to win this game. One of you have to, you know, show the way. Bahana has the unfair advantage right now, but not for a long time. He will not have that advantage for a long time. You know, it's a matter of because, you know, in the initial days we climbed all the wrong trees out there. You know, we kept on trying this and that and this. Now it's like really clear. I am not asking you guys to climb any tree. You know, I'm asking you to climb one tree where at the end of the climb there is money there. You know, it's a very straightforward. You know, it's a no-brainer tree actually. Yeah, Kisha, you know, is your LinkedIn account well to go? No, it is not, Kisha. Your LinkedIn account is not good yet. You need to really, you know, look at, you know, either Bahana's or Niyal, and then see how you can make it better. Some of the pictures, say for example, even your picture, Kisha, the picture that you have sent me, that I have put it in, you know, in the website is so much more better than your LinkedIn picture. So if you are having trouble, Kisha, to make your LinkedIn, just, you know, I can help you, you know, make it better. But you should try first. You know, if you can't even make your LinkedIn better, how are you going to help clients? You know, one day you have to help your client from Germany or, you know, from Denmark. You have to make his LinkedIn look better. You know, so you have to really figure out how to make yours better. I can easily help you. you know, I just helped Bahana. So, but I really think, you know, you should learn this. You know, it's not difficult at all. It's really easy. Yeah. So, yeah.
But so far, you have promised us that you're going to work on our banners.
So this is what I'll do. I'll send you the banner.
Sure.
I will send you the Excel sheet. Yeah. In that order, I'll send Bahana's first, Muhammad, Jamari, Kisha, you know, Zakaria. I'll send all of you guys an Excel so that, you know, it's very clear that who's doing what, right? And yeah, that's pretty much it. And let's see, you know, how it goes. You know, hopefully by next week, I really, really hope that, at least Bahana gets some new client. I really want to see whether this damn thing works or not. You see, it's a great experiment. If you think about it, this is what we are trying to sell to our clients, correct? We are telling our clients, tell me about your business, and I will, make stuff happen for you on LinkedIn. And we are trying to do it ourselves for our own business. And if we fail in our own business, how can we succeed, for our client? You understand what I'm saying, right? We have to win this. There is no way we can fail this. It's like, of course we can always fail, but I'm just telling you that, we have to win this game for us before we can say we can win it for our client. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. It's I'm done.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jean-Marie.
No, thank you, Anas. Yeah, I mean, and this goes for the whole team. If we want to follow up anything, I think we can reach out to Anas on WhatsApp. He's always available. Yeah.
Cool. I think, please just keep pinging me, guys, and always keep talking in the group, because,
Yeah.
whatever doubt is coming for you is coming for other people also, right? Just that they don't ask. So, just keep asking in the group. Don't think, your doubt is less than the other. Okay. And we will crack it. So this week, we will at least get 100 connections, 100 requests, we will make for each one of you, at least, I'm sure Bahana should be able to do it just today itself. Okay. All right. Thank you very much, Bahana.
Great. Thank you so much, Anis. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye, Keisha. Bye, Elizabeth. Bye, Mohammed.
Bye, everyone.